So, Catherine, this is the prototype for the wheel system that will move the 16-foot run that you were asking about, and Dave here is going to demonstrate it.
Okay, Catherine, you have to remember this is a crude prototype. This is what it represents. This triangle here would be the coop. The wheels, we'll change all that out, but the coop, or the run, is 16 feet long, so we envision that it would be easy enough to pick up the run end of the coop. And you have to envision that this is the end being picked up, but when you do, the wheel stays on the ground. This cable would run back to where you're picking up the coop, and you just lock it into position. Then you can rock the coop up on the wheels and then push it wherever you want to. Now, a couple things you have to bear in mind. This is just a prototype, so this distance is actually too great, I think. You don't want it that high off of the ground. This bolt here that I used would actually be a pipe that runs through the coop, and both wheels on either side of the run, would be on this bolt, or rather on this pipe. Mm-hmm. This piece of wood here actually runs underneath the coop, and it would be encased in a three-sided channel so that both wheels are acting in concert. This wheel was just one I had in the shop. We would actually use a garden tractor tire, a big fat tire. You can see that it's boxed in here. Here, I'll turn this over here. It's boxed so that we have support of the wheel on both sides. I think all of the things that you had concerns about had been addressed. When you're ready to put the coop down again, you would, if you had moved it, you would move it to position, put the coop end down, and then just release the cable. And this cable I envision being, steel cable. It would just go back down onto the ground then, and the bottom of the run would be flush with the ground. So, if you can't visualize what we're saying using this prototype, I can make it a little bit fancier, but I wanted to get back to you as quickly as possible and show you that it could be done, and I think that we answered most of your concerns.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, thanks.
All right.